Sarah, hi. How was your hiking trip?
Oh, it was really fun. We hiked all day and then camped out every night. But I wasn't looking forward to it at all.
Why not?
Well, I've never camped before, so I thought it might be a little frightening.
Frightening? Were you alone?
No, but I was worried about snakes.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but it was fine. There weren't any snakes or even any insects. We had a lot of fun.
What was the best thing about the trip?
Oh, seeing the stars at night.
Really?
Yeah. Out in the country, you can see all the stars in the sky. You never see them in the city. It was wonderful.
So, you might go camping again?
Sure.
Next, Charlie.
So, Charlie, how was your trip to the ocean? You said it was going to be fun.
Well, yes, I thought it would be fun.
And? Was it fun?
Not really. Friday afternoon was okay. It was nice and sunny, so we swam in the ocean.
Oh, that sounds good.
But then it got cloudy, and the rain came.
Rain? Oh, no.
Yeah, and it rained all day on Saturday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we had to stay indoors. That was pretty boring.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, we were all pretty disappointed, you know?
I hate to ask this, but what was the best thing about the trip?
Oh, we went to an amusement park on Sunday, and we went on all the rides. That was okay, but I felt a little sick after that roller coaster ride.
Oh, so it wasn't really a very fun trip.
Not really. It was kind of boring.
Finally, Annie.
Annie, where were you last weekend? I tried calling you.
Oh, I went with some other people to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong? Wow. How exciting.
Yes, it was, but I was kind of nervous about the trip.
Why's that?
The other people knew each other very well, and I didn't really know all of them. I sometimes get nervous around people I don't know well.
So, you thought it was going to be stressful?
Yeah, but it wasn't at all. We all got along really well, but we did so much and saw so much, we were all really tired.
Yes, sightseeing can be very tiring.
Actually, we didn't really do any sightseeing. All we did was shop and eat and talk. It was really tiring, but we had a wonderful time.
So, what was the best part?
Oh, you know me. Shopping.
Oh, of course.